Hi guys, today we'll be looking at how to set up the Wi-Fi Panorama Camera. That's actually the light bulb camera that you can actually rotate 360 degrees. It uses Wi-Fi, so you can actually view it from anywhere in the world. And you can actually do two-way audio, so you can actually speak to persons at home while you're at work. And it uses memory card, and it has night vision, so you'll be able to see everything clearly. Yes guys, so to get started, this is the light bulb that it actually comes with. As you can see, the camera on it, and it also has a built-in AI voice that will give you instructions on how to set it up. This is the reset section. If you need to reset it in case it didn't set up properly, you may need to reset it, or if you're moving it to a different location, you may need to reset it also. This is where you'd actually put the memory card. Yeah, and also comes with these two screws in case you're going to put this socket on the wall. You can use those two screws along with these to put in the holes. And this is the reset pin, and this is the manual that it comes with. And this is the app that you would actually scan to download. This is the Icam365 app. So yes guys, this is basically all it comes with. So to get started guys, what we will be doing is that we'll be going to Play Store to actually download this app. You can go ahead and scan it. So yes guys. Okay guys, so you'd click on Play Store to go to Play Store, and you'd search for the name of the app, and that is, if you're not going to scan the code and the manual, so it's ICAM 365, and search that, and this is how it looks. Click on open because I've already installed it. Let me click on agree, and you can sign in with any of these. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. Okay, should also take this box. Now it's logging in. Choose an account, and let me enable this. Okay, turn on notifications, and I'm going to try to add a new device. So add a new device, that's what you would do. You'd add a new device. Okay, let me. Okay,
please scan the QR code on the machine body.
So now guys, what you're going to require to do is actually put the light bulb in the socket. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and return. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the light bulb in the socket, and one indication that you should look for to ensure that it's powered on is the movement of the device. Okay, let's see whether or not it will actually move around. Okay, so now it's doing its thing. Okay. Okay, so it sounds as if we're ready. So we're supposed to scan the QR code and the back and the device. So this would be the QR code, this here. So we're gonna try to scan that. Okay. Okay. So it has been scanned.
Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device. Enter a Wi-Fi password and click Next.
Okay, let me choose a SSID, and let me try to put the password in. Okay.
Show the QR code to the device
So I'm
camera.
gonna turn around the camera. and show this QR code to the camera.
Camera starts up.
Okay guys, so it's taking a while, so I'm gonna click on this and see what will happen and click on next.
Try to put the router, the mobile phone, and the device as close as possible.
Okay, so it wants you to move the phone closer to the router.
Camera starts.
Okay guys, so being that it didn't actually connect to the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna have to reset the device. So this is how you'd actually reset the camera. So you'd put the pin inside this reset section and you'd press down and you'd wait for the AI to let you know that it has been reset.
Reset successfully. Wait for camera rebooting.
Okay. Okay, so now it's processing.
Please select the Wi-Fi network for your device, enter a Wi-Fi password, and click Next.
Okay, let's try to do this again.
Show the QR code to the device camera. Camera starts up. Wait for user config. Receive configuration. Connect router.
Okay, so I'm gonna click on next.
Try to put the router, the mobile phone, and the device as close as possible. Connect cloud server. Please wait. Device added successfully.
Okay guys, so yeah, it's going good so far. So let us see. Let me see here. So I'm gonna enter a name. So I could call this test cam. Okay, so where this is basically taking you is telling you to actually do a free trial for cloud storage. If you have your memory card inserted, you don't need to try any cloud storage. So you might want to also purchase a card. Okay guys, so yeah, so as I told you guys, you can basically rotate your camera and you can go up and down, and basically, as you can see, it's showing clearly because there's a lighting on the camera that you can actually turn on. So yes guys, this is how you actually set up your camera. Yes guys, so if there's any questions, you can actually ask them in the comment below, or you can actually watch the video again to catch up on anything that you may have missed out on. So yes guys, thanks for watching, and you should go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and a like if you appreciate the content, and the information that you just watched. Thank you. You take care. Bye bye.